Welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome to those of you watching on onespotmedia.com.
Up first this evening, one of the island's most wanted men was shot dead during a police operation this afternoon.
Nesta Bigger Crime Morrison, who is known to reside on the border of St. Andrew and St. Thomas, apparently had been hiding in Clarendon where he met his demise.
And as Anthony Lugnar reports, he'd been eluding the police for over a year.
Nesta Bigger Crime Morrison has been eluding the police for over 2 years. But on Wednesday, this video statement from the Jamaica Constabulary Force.
I wish to confirm to the Jamaican people that Nesta Morrison, OC Bigger Crime of 11 miles Bull Bay, which is the border of St. Thomas, was fatally shot during an intelligence-led operation by the security forces in Longville Park, Clarendon.
In November 2022, the Joint Anti-Gang Task Force seized 3 firearms and more than 120 rounds of ammunition from one of Morgan's hideouts in 11 miles Bull Bay, St. Thomas. Several items including cellular phones, counterfeit US currency, bank cards and food items were also seized during the raid.
Despite many requests from the police for him to turn himself in, he actually did not, and several operations were mounted against him that were unsuccessful.
Our news team sought responses from residents of 11 Mile Bull Bay, but they were tight-lipped. The police, however, say residents of Bull Bay and surrounding communities are breathing a sigh of relief.
Bigger crime rained terror on the citizens within the 11 Mile Bull Bay areas and its environment, killing and maiming several people. I think it's a victory for the people of those communities, and it's a great relief that he can no longer perpetrate those acts of violence against them.
Anthony Lug, TVJ News.